Welcome to the Golden Mile of Zurich and welcome to IWC Racing Works, an immersive new retail concept blending watchmaking, automotive engineering and the exhilarating world of motor racing. And the experience starts right out here with the next generation of window shopping. We've installed interactive windows that allow you to scan the QR code and take control both of the watches on display as well as the video content on the screen. This 200 square meter, two-level space is completely themed around the idea of being the home base of the IWC Racing Classic Racing Team. A centerpiece is the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, and all of the spaces, the merchandising, the decoration, even down to the food and beverage concept, everything is geared to let our clients immerse themselves into the story of engineering and the story of racing. From the get-go, we set out to redefine the way that our clients discover the watches from IWC Schaffhausen. We've integrated all new open displays, allowing our clients to touch and feel the products and to get all the information relevant to that watch right here from the touchscreen at the bottom of the display. You simply call up the watch, you see all of the different references, you can look at the characteristics, but you can also call up all the video content and social media content, or you have a comparison function here, allowing you by criteria to compare different watches on the display. Discover the story of IWC in our interactive brand book, a unique animation combining the haptic experience of an actual book with projected video content and animation. While here at the heart of the garage, we have, of course, the magnificent Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing from 1955, the IWC Classic Racing Team car driven by David Coulthard and the winner of the 29 Tony Gaze Trophy in Goodwood. But this is much more than a car on display. It's actually a VR driving experience where our clients can experience firsthand what it means to drive a vintage racing car like this around a racetrack or mountain pass. So how does a machine like this drive? Well, let's find out. Let's take it for a ride. If you're looking for a vintage collectible IWC watch or a rare special edition, we are now presenting a selection of officially certified pre-owned IWC watches for sale here in Zurich. In this boutique, we are also introducing the next generation of watchmaking studio. Of course, we have a resident watchmaker here who can carry out work on site and consult our client, but we've introduced a brand new augmented reality watchmaker headset, which has a video live link fitted, allowing the watchmaker to project exactly what he or she is seeing onto a screen or onto a video link format. This allows us to have our clients either at home or here in the boutique follow on a screen precisely what our watchmaker is looking at and really understand what goes into servicing or repairing an IWC watch. Linking right back to the heart of IWC and allowing our clients to discover exactly how our watches are being manufactured, we've fitted this boutique with a video link wall, giving our clients the range to choose from different camera angles to discover all elements of manufacturing. This really brings the finer details of fine regulating or, for example, of case assembly to the heart of this retail space. Completely personalize your IWC timepiece in our Racing Works custom studio. Here you find a wide range of materials and colors of bracelets and straps. You can customize your watch strap with our embossing service to have your initials stamped into the watch strap, and we offer, unique to this location, leather watch straps made from the original upholstery leather of the 300 SL Gullwing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you enjoyed this little tour of IWC Racing Works, the very latest in our new generation of concept stores. With a themed environment, immersive storytelling and full integration of digital technology, this really for us is the next level of experiencing the world of IWC Schaffhausen. So we're looking forward to welcoming you here physically in our boutique in Zurich or indeed on IWC.com in our virtual reality experience. See you all very soon.